everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Kristin and today is day 2 of our conference. We are actually going to do our field work. I have a special guest, Tal. So, I haven't met her yet, but they call her Queen here. Vin is her slave. Anyways, my group is for 5. We're gonna go to investigate certified sustainable seafood and then also visit a maritime museum. So I will see you guys later. I'm gonna eat breakfast. This is what I got. Oh, your fish market. Okay. So you have a channel? This is the weather that we're dealing with.
Could you imagine we went in the boat in this? Oh my god.
I would still go on the boat. I don't care. So we have arrived at the fishing port. It's called Doka Pesca. Did I pronounce that right? Probably not, but we're gonna roll with it. So now we're just waiting, and it's kind of cold. We saw some people surfing at the beach. How?
So they came with the boats and they sell directly to é vendida a uma empresa, não é?
Sim, o senhor chama de empresa.
Eu perguntei há quanto tempo é que já trabalha como...
Já, por exemplo.
Desde
we made it to the beach, but it's raining, so ta-da! There's the beach. Look at us. We look like potatoes.
Look, I don't even know what my hair's done anymore.
Oh my god, it's all good. There's people surfing. Why?
Oh my goodness.
How?
I thought you were
Oh my god. Oh, it's a leatherback turtle. It's the largest turtle on the planet.
Really?
Yeah. we are at the fish market today, right now, and it's, I'm getting really hungry. This is so bad. But I found out that they only serve, well, the freshest fish comes here during Mondays, so the best time to buy fish is on Tuesdays. That's really interesting.
The food that fishermen took to the boats, because these are biscuits of wheat with eggs, chocolate, lemon and sugar.
Energético.
So it's really, yeah, an energetic bar. Energetic. So
Muito sustentável
It's
para...
important because we walked so much.
Yeah. You can try it.
Record your reaction.
Interesting. It's like
this is
chocolate
really
and lemon, which is not common.
That's fish so.
Yeah, so I got another one. But yes, update. What's it called? Farinha Torra. I can't. My R's are not the Portuguese R's. So they have a cook sound and I can't do it. So apparently it's a specialty for fishermen. A what?
Cute wee place.
Cute what?
Wee place. Oh, cute wee place.
Cute wee place?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Wee like small, petite.
Oh, cute. Hello everyone, we made it. And then I'm gonna show you what I have for lunch, because why not? This is pasta. No shit. I think this is like some crab salad. This is pork, french fries, vegetables. I don't know what this, rice. I don't know what that thing is, like fish patty. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Well, so it looks like, y'all. So I've found my favorite cake in the world. It's, I don't know, called a cookie cake here in Portugal. It's basically some graham crackers and some cream. I don't know. This is what it looks like. I got that on tape. I'm like, yeah. It looks disgusting, but it's great, okay? Hey guys, we are back at it again, and we are actually working on our projects that we're presenting tomorrow, which we investigated this morning. So we're all actually such awesome human beings because we're able to execute such an action. Yeah. Anyways, I'm taking a break because my batteries died, and I'm doing a video. My group is doing video, photo, and article. I'm doing the video one just because it's easier to do it alone, and I'm bugging Allison.
I'm so tired. Like, yeah. We've been working since like 9 a.m. and it's been raining and like my brain is just fried, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Like,
look at her. Let's see. Look.
They all teach each other how to grow vegetables. So wholesome.
Oh my god, so eloquent.
I'm gonna.
And there's Nina. Being Nina. What are you doing?
I sleep with open eyes.
Bye. Anyways, I should do work. Okay, gotta go. We're trying to use this photo, but someone here just ruined it. So we're going to try to see what we can do. So this is what we've done. You see that? It's like Slender Man, except not Slender Man, but there's that little fisherman. So there's a dog right here, but I don't know how things are in Portugal. I don't know if this is a stray dog or a friendly dog, but it's a cute little pupper. Bye!